Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can delete sprints from your Scrum board on Jira. So let us dive right into it. Head over to Jira, to your Jira site, and select your Scrum board from that list of your ongoing projects. Simply expand that list to your project, and let me go with that Scrum board here. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to the backlog view here at the top, and here you will see a list of all of your created sprints or sprints you can create here under create sprint to the right. So these sprints, for example, have already been created. So if you'd like to delete them, guys, simply click into these three dots here and select delete sprint, or edit them if you like, if you, for instance, want to add various issues or work items to them. So what you want to do is click into delete sprint here and simply delete it by clicking to this button. And there you go. As you can see, that sprint has been deleted. Now I can create a new one by clicking into this button and add, for example, various issues and work items to it, like tasks, stories, bugs, and so on and so forth. So that's how you delete sprints on your Scrum boards on Jira. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.